Hi guys! Good morning! Papasok na naman tayo ng work. And ngayon, nag-start kami ng 3 a.m. Back to work na ulit tayo kasi nga, di ba nung last week, hindi ako nakasama kay husband. Mga 1 week siguro ako nag-rest sa bahay kasi hindi ako sumama sa kanya. So ngayon, back to reality na tayo. And ngayon, magtitimpla lang ako ng kape as usual. Kasi hindi kakayanin ni husband na walang kape.
I'm still keeping your half, my love.
Oh.
My love.
Meron pa siya natirang sneaker dito sa ano. And alam nyo ba guys, sobrang lamig na dito. 9 degree pa lang. And then soon, magiging 1 degree. Mas malamig siya kaysa sa loob ng rep.
It's not good 1 degree. It's better when it's -3, -2, -3. It's better.
Kaya pag nagbabiyahe kami ng madaling araw, sobrang lamig. Mabuti na lang meron kaming gloves.
So, okay. If this is good, this also good.
Ihalo lang natin ng maigi.
Someone loaded for us from Frankfurt.
Alam niyo ba, dalawang beses si husband ng kape. Minsan kapag tinatamad ako, isa lang. Kasi nga nakakatulog ako sa biyahe. Nagagawan ko lang siya ng kape kapag nagising na ako.
Now it's warm?
Yes.
Or you are in the jacket?
Wait.
You're pranking me, eh?
Dito, dahil sa inyo guys, mas kaliwala ganyan si husband. Hindi na siya uminom ng madaming Red Bull. Paisa-isa na lang kada araw. Pero meron kaming guys, chocolate. So, Snickers. Pang paano din ng energy. Pang pagising.
Pong pong pong. Ping pong 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 pong.
Hindi niya naiintindihan yung sinasabi ko. Guys, mag-start na kami. Magbabiyahe na tayo. Punta muna kami ng Marl. Yan yung unang namin. Loading address. So guys, ito yung niload namin sa TV. So guys, lahat yan yung niload namin dito sa company.
She's chasing skies I've never named while I stay in my lane. But something in the way she moves keeps pulling at my chain. Oh, traveler, you carry the sun in your stride, leaving behind what I hold inside. If I don't ask your name today, I may never get the chance to walk beside your wandering dance. A tune I've never heard in languages I can't speak. She writes down cities on her wrist and dreams she'll never keep. I sip my coffee, miss my cue, still anchored by my fear. But time rolls on like open roads, and soon she won't be here. Oh, traveler, you carry the sun in your stride, leaving behind.
Guys, nakapila na kami dito kasi nga magpapa truck wash kami. I don't know when is the last time we did this truck wash. 2 months? My husband. Ang daming truck nakapila.
Not 2 months more. I did only one time. I think last year.
I think ano pa, 2 o 3 trucks pa yung nasa unahan bago kami. Ganyan sila maglinis. Nililinisan din nila yung loob ng trailer. Kami na yung next after nyan.
Is your open gate.
Oh, they are brushing
Brushers.
on top of the trailer.
They're also back. Oh, trailer. Oh, truck.
First time ko guys makakita ng nililinisan yung truck. So guys, magpunta na kami. It's our turn. Almost 1 hour kami naghintay dito. Ang tagal matapos. Let's go inside. So we will stay inside, my love, right?
Yes.
And then they will gonna wash us. Wash. Look at that. My love, I can film, right? Dia throwing ala.
Allah.
Dia ready lagi. Oh my goodness. Mila hala.
Allah.
Tingnan nyo naman guys, so ang linis ng truck. So punta natin sa kabila. Oh, nagmukhang bago. Pati yung gulong. Uuwi na kami guys. Tapos na yung work namin. So nag-start kami ng 4 and natapos kami ng 3 PM. Tingnan nyo. May araw. We need also to wash our bike, babe. It's dirty. Yung binayad namin sa paglinis ng truck, 70 euro. Ang mahal. Hi guys! Uwi na kami. Buti na lang, huminto yung ulan. Kasi nga walang raincoat si Aswan. Babasa kami. Pero malamig to din. Tignan nyo yun. Nilagay ko sa tainga. Nakaka-warm siya. Guys, nandito ako sa store. Pantan, Perk Baki, and Lumpia Kibbami. Hiniinit niya na. Kaso ano lang siya. Cash lang. Diyan naman is yung sweets. Tiasbon guys, nandun siya sa store. Yan na siya, labas na siya. Tingnan nyo guys, binili niya to. 3 euro?
Yeah, it's season time, yeah.
The leaves almost empty. Bili din ako guys ng ganito. Siya. Ito na yung aming order. Hi guys. So dumating na yung yung post galing ng Gimente. So buksan natin kung ano yung laman. ano ba yung nakasulat. Actually, hindi ko to in-expect kasi nga, nagpa-register kami
You can open that
Monday. So, let's see. The paper that we signed. Wala, it's a letter.
What?
Ang daming nakalagay na paper. Na-receive namin agad yung BSN number ko. Ang bilis. Binabasa niya ko ano yung nakasulat. Naka-Dutch kasi.
Yeah, then
I will translate.
and read.
So, ita-translate ko lang kung ano yung nakasulat. Also here, babe, it says we need to make an appointment to get the documents. To get my birth certificate and marriage certificate. Yeah. Ito yung ano. Yung pinilapan namin. They even also, my love, look. They also put my dad's name. Guys, finally, meron akong BSN.
So you can work now?
I can already apply work.
So go now to the job center. We need to go pick up birth certificate with.
And marriage. I will be the one to pick up. You don't need to go with me.
Yeah, I know, but I was thinking you can bring my birth.
Yeah.
So then we need to wait. Then they will.
So they will send it with me.
This is 2 days.
Yeah. But they didn't send us yet the email address where we're gonna pay. Maybe they were gonna send it tomorrow. Because we need to pay for that apostille.
Yeah.
So guys, this is what we buy. Ang laki. This is the sauce, ketchup. And look at the lumpia. Share lang kami. Ito naman, ano siya, dumplings. Dumplings ba tawag? So let's try. Let's give a try. Ano siya? Yung laman niya is meat na may mga sibuyas. Ang sarap. Wala ba? Yung naman niya guys, pansit. Kakaiba yung ano talaga nila, lumpia. Minsan, natatawa ako. Bakit pansit yung nilagay? Ito, i-rate ko siya ng 7 out of 10. Masarap naman siya. Kaso dry yung pansit.
Baby.
Meron din siyang chicken sa loob. Ito naman yung kinain ni husband. Yung may olive. Meron pa siya natira. Tinikman ko siya. Masarap naman kaso maasim yung olive. Ito, 9 out of 10.